Good morning, students. This particular website, we can call it as also simulator, will be useful to solve network theorems like KCL, KVL, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, etc. So these are the different components listed here. So wire, you clearly know wire is used to connect different elements: fuse, battery, light bulb, resistor. There are two different types of resistor. One is this. In this you will be having a lower value up to 120 ohms. You can do it in this resistor. If you want like in kilo ohms, you should take the other resistor, like this resistor, the resistor with normal resistor symbol, this one. So if you double click, you can increase the value. In this you should either drag this button or you should press this button. So to delete this element, either you can press delete button, you can either press delete button or you can click the delete symbol there. So we will solve a Kirchhoff law first using this circuit. Okay, so you can either use voltmeter, ammeter also. So you know the voltmeter will be connected in between the element, and ammeter will be, or the current measuring element will be connected in series with the network. Okay, so I will delete it once again. So okay, so first we will solve the Kirchhoff voltage law. So you refer the manual. In the manual you can see it has a battery, so it has a battery and it has a resistor, 3 resistors, so 1, 2 and 3. So the resistor values are 1 kilo ohm. So we should take, I have wrongly took this, so we should delete and take the other resistor. So if you see this one, 2 and 3. So if you double press or double click it, it is 1 kilo ohms. 1000 ohms is nothing but 1 kilo ohms. Now we have to connect it with the help of wire. So this one, this one is a little bit difficult one to do, but it's fine. So the last wire, you should take it from the negative terminal and you have to connect it to the other end of the wire, other end of the resistor. So it has been connected. So as soon as you connect, the current starts flowing. So you can see that blue color is the flow of electrons, and if you want to see the conventional current, so clearly know the electrons will flow from negative to positive, and the conventional current will flow from positive to negative. Okay, so I will double click the battery and enable 3 volt because the voltage given is 3 volt. So 1, 2, 3. So 3. Now I want to measure the voltage across the individual elements. So what is KVL rule or KVL law? The algebraic sum of the EMF in a closed circuit is 0, or drop in potential is equal to rise in potential. So I will connect the voltmeter across these two elements. So 1, so it's not required, we will use only 1 voltmeter. So I think this circuit has the limitation, or the simulator will have as a limitation to use up to only 2 voltmeter or 2 voltage measurement equipment. So this is 1 volt, and if I measure across this resistor or resistor 2, it is also 1 volt, and then minus indicate it is opposite to that. Okay, so this is also 1 volt, and if I measure it here, it is 1 volt. So this is 3 volt minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what is 3 minus 1 minus 1? It is equal to 0. So if you take the algebraic sum of the EMF in a closed path is 0. So you can see if I take it across this point and this point, it is 0. So hence the KVL law is proved. Okay, thank you.